Good morning, happy Thursday. I just did my skincare routine and maybe I'll show you guys that later on, but I have on SPF, which it does have a little white cast, but it absorbs. I'm drinking water. I have a August water challenge. Today we are running errands and I am doing some filming today. But that's what's going on. Oh, and I need to schedule my mammogram and schedule the boys' boosters before going to school. So I still have these beautiful braids. It's basically a month since I've had them, so I'm gonna wash and refresh them this week. But let's get the day started and put on some ropas, some clothes, and get Joseph to camp. That's what's happening. Holla. Okay, so I am outside. I was actually getting some headshots for these, and I really like these a lot. Like, I am like, and I don't know if I told you guys, but I actually had eye LASIK surgery, so I'm not supposed to be really outside without shades, and this is so refreshing. Like, I have Ray-Bans, I have designer eyewear, and these are perfect. Like, I am looking in the direction of the sun, and my eyes are like wide open. You know, sometimes even under glasses, under shades, you are still like squinching your eyes. And I feel like these completely cover the entire eye. I'm just like, I can actually like look in the sky, looking like I'm not even squinching. Like, this is crazy. These Blublockers are amazing, so I really love it. I have the white, the tortoise, and the black. Like, I feel like if you have these three, you can pretty much match it up with any outfit. I'm wearing white with a kimono, and they actually have one that's like robin egg like shade. It's like a teal turquoise, and I wanted those so badly, but I was like, you know what, let me get the ones that I know I can rock with any outfit. So these three totally are my vibe. So I really like these, and I like aviator styles anyway, the style aviator. So this is definitely my favorite with this outfit, but I think of all time, the tortoise is like my absolute favorite. If I had to pick out of the three, I don't know, the black too, I don't know, but the tortoise could go with brown, it could go with white. I just feel like it's a classic. But yeah, I'm loving these shades. Thanks so much, Blublockers, for sponsoring this portion of the video.
There it go right there. They live up under, right there. Look at that.
Oh, here's one. Here's one in my hand.
You got it?
What do you guys do with them?
Well, I use it for fishing.
For fishing? Okay, that's what they think. The people use them for fishing. And they don't bite. They just
Oh my God.
Don't buy it at all.
Come with fishing. Come with that. They use them for fishing.
Morning. Today is Tuesday. Yes, we are back on the vlogs. I'll put this here because I'm about to fix breakfast for the boys, and then Joseph is going to be off to camp. I hope you guys are having a great day. I have to get shoes for Elijah, so we'll probably go and get those. I'm gonna have an avocado and maybe egg this morning. I am cutting back on bread, so I might have it on one slice of toast and instead of two. So I'm just cutting back on what I do, you know, or I might get a bagel. Today, we are running a couple of errands. I need to get shoes. It's about time. You know, school is coming around here in LA, so I have to get, sorry, you guys. Yes, I gotta situate this. I have to get shoes for Elijah, so we'll probably go and get those. I'm gonna have an avocado and maybe egg this morning. I am cutting back on bread, so I might have it on 1 slice of toast and instead of 2. So I'm just cutting back on what I do, you know, or I might get a bagel. Elijah. We are also going to wash this hair. By the time you see this vlog, I might have my braids out, I'm not sure. But I am gonna wash my braids today. I do have a video last year, because I did have braids, on how to actually wash braids. So I will link it into this vlog. Nothing's different. The color obviously is different. I actually like this color a lot better. This is 1BN27, and I actually have it kind of crinkly. Last time I had it straight. I like it to have a little texture, so your girl is with the bun. Let's get some breakfast on the table for the boys, and then I gotta get Joseph to school. So that's what we're doing. Is that my mask?
You don't have makeup.
Oh, so anyway, we're going to Kohl's to go look for this boy some shoes for school. So here we go.